Oh, hi, Indian. Oh my, what happened to you? I just got kicked and broke my leg. So now I'm out of running. And I was doing so well. She's actually happy with me for once. Yeah, don't feel too down. Whoa, is that Lucky? Yeah, hasn't she gotten big? Yeah. Quit embarrassing me. Where's Blizzard? Oh, he's out in the paddock right now. Huh? Who's in my name? Who's in my name? What? What I miss? Huh? Man, they've gotten big. You know, they're gonna be separated sometime because Blizzard's old enough to go out in the stallion's pasture. The little filly's gonna be taken away for weaning. No, Mom, don't let him do that to us. No. Well, I had to be taken away from my mom. So did I, Lucky. Blizzard had to, too. So, Mom, you'll be fine, Lucky. Doesn't look like he's doing it any time tonight. True, very true. But yeah, it'll have to be done sometime. Please, stop reminding her. Oh, sorry. So it looks like I'm in here for a little while. Yeah, I guess so. So you've actually been doing good at racing? Yeah, she actually got me in shape with all that running we've been doing. I was doing amazing. I was able to run 15 miles every day. And she started working me on jumping. And she said I was going to do, I think it was called cross country? I don't know, something like that. Maybe it was cross country jumping. That's what she had me do, jumps. I ain't for sure. There's another horse in the science pasture that I talked to. There's a mare that does cross country jumping. So maybe I'll have to talk to her and learn more about it when I'm healed. If that will be soon. So I guess she's got plans for me. And I've been doing really well. Oh yeah, she switched her saddle. Instead of that heavy one with a horn in front, it's a lighter one. And she just got a horn in front. And she like stands up in it when we jump. It's quite weird, but it's a lot more comfortable. And I'm doing amazing at jumping too. But they've only been small jumps. I mean, nothing huge, like 5 feet tall. Nothing even compared to the fence either. But just solid ones, just like trees knocked over or stuff. It's pretty simple too. It's actually quite fun. Farting around, jumping, running, things I'm good at. And the bit, you know how I hated that thing? It's actually comfortable. She had to adjust it. It was too tight and it was hurting my mouth. And one day my mouth started bleeding. Really nasty. Well, she had loosened it up and it fit right in my mouth and it didn't hurt as much anymore. Isn't that amazing? Yeah, I guess so. How's the bit feel in your mouth? Is it cold? Well, sometimes it is, but sometimes she'll hold it in her hands for a while and then it'll become warm and then it isn't as bad. Actually, she's pretty nice. I think those first couple of days she was just frustrated. Because did you hear that the fence broke and a bunch of horses got out? So then she had to go take her roping horse and she had to go chase them all back and put them back. And then she had to fix the fence herself. Did you know that she's the only one running this place? Asked all the other horses. They said that there used to be 2 more girls and a guy here, but they all sailed back. Oh yeah, and every year Giant ship comes and brings a ton of horses that apparently she buys. I don't know how in the world she buys them if we're way out here. Well, she buys the boat too, and then she takes it apart and uses it for fences. Isn't that sweet? So if the fence breaks, she has to wait till the whole next year to get extra wood. Well, if she keeps extra wood around, if we were to break it in 5 different spots, we'd be using a lot of wood. So that's how this place started, I guess. Was a ship crashed and a bunch of old pilgrims or whatever had some horses. Apparently they were draft horses. And then built the stables. Just think, this stable is like 200 years old. Is that amazing? Think of how many horses have been in and out here. Think of how many foals have been born on these floors. Oh my, that's a lot. Yeah, so apparently she gets like all these little fillies and foals that are orphans, and she trains them, and then they all just kind of stick together and herd. Oh yeah, beware when you go out there, there's a weed mare, and my lord, is she bossy. She bosses everyone around, and she's the queen of the world, and it is stupid. Because all of a sudden she starts bossing around us stallions, and we don't take that. So then we're all just kind of like nip through the fence, and we end up getting shocked, and then they all laugh at us. And it hurts when you get shocked. Yeah. So I'll have to keep explaining things later. Right now I'm kind of tired and my foot's kind of still sore. So I'll talk to you later. Bye, Indian. Bye, Morgan. I'm gonna go out and graze. That grass out there is actually really good. Yeah, I've been out there. They finally let us out of the paddock. Yeah, I see that. Why aren't you over out there? Well, I kind of get sunburned easily, so I don't like being out in the sun a lot. Oh, I don't think that's the real reason. Actually, I miss being free. I mean, all I've been doing in here for 2 weeks is standing and letting Lucky grow. That's it. I mean, there's food and there's water and there's room, but I want to be ran. If I have to run 15 miles a day, then I'll do it. I miss the free, the wind going through your mane. I miss that. Well, tomorrow might be your chance, and not since I'm out. You know, she weans horses. The second they take the mare out, the foal stays back, and the mare gets rode. So you'll get weaned, but you'll get rode. So you kind of have a choice. If you want to be rode and want to be ran, then you gotta kind of push Lucky off a little, and then she'll separate you and wean you. But then I think you'll be put together at night though. So gradually wean the foal off. Yeah, but Lucky isn't that old though. Yeah, if you wait one more week, it'll be 3 months. Yeah, I guess you're right. I guess I can stay 1 more week in here. And as soon as you get rode, as soon as she's fully weaned, Blizzard goes to the stallions, you go to the mares, and Lucky gets to go meet other foals her age. Did you hear that some of the foals were born on the same day, and some of the mares had twins? So maybe Lucky will be lucky enough to find a foal born the same day as her. Maybe even 2. And there's a ton of stallions out there.